Rainy day does not stop us from playing in the garden. It's Tuesday morning at 7:30 a.m. 18th of October 2011. Sarah and I are walking around in the garden, watching the rain dripping on the tree. It's a beautiful feeling. That's the peach tree we got from Renette as my birthday present. That's the pawpaw tree. Another pawpaw tree. Another pawpaw tree. They all got wet from the rain. Now it's the herb and veggies patch. There's tomatoes. Yeah, that's tomatoes, Sarah. Lemongrass, parsley, mint, oregano, strawberries, and this Sarah is here.